It's YUNZII's Employee of the Month, back again with another YUNZII keyboard, the Aluminum full-size keyboard. I'm pretty excited. Let's get it open. Oh yes, the AL98. Look at how cute that is. Oh, anime aesthetic. Look at it. It's so beautiful. I love it. Look at the blue and the pink. It's so perfect. Yes. There she is. That's a beaut. That's a beaut right there. Oh, I forgot it was aluminum. I'm panicking. What do I do? Okay. Oh, they got a little cutout for the accessories on the bottom. Adorable. And that's it. Look at that. This thing is too heavy to display all fancy for freaking footage. Whoa. Look at that. It's glittery. Yes, look at it. It's got pink. It's got glitter. What more could you ask for? And they got like little slices in it. Do you know how hard it is to do that probably? I guess you could just use a CNC. Do you know how expensive a CNC is? I don't. But this thing is a brick. Like, my God, this has got to be at least like 6 pounds. Maybe heavier, maybe 7. That is a chunk. Let's take a look at the accessories. We have some extra switches, 2 extra switches. We have a white power cable, cute. We have a keycap and switch puller. The one different keycap and switch puller that I've seen out of all of the ones that we've gotten, I've never seen a white one. They've always been black, but it's the same. Actually, it's a little shorter too. Cool. And they have the biggest bag you've ever seen, again, for the keycaps. YUNZII is not messing around. They have an extra space bar. I like the blue one anyways. But they give you an option, I guess, to have all the... They give you your option to switch out. Like this one for a darker pink. Okay, 2 options, 2 commands, 2 enters. I'll put the information for these up on the screen. Pretty cute. Get 2 extras. Very nice. Now let's take a closer look at this thing, now that my arms have had a rest. Extremely heavy. There's like a RGB, there's gonna be some lighting right there. Blue escape cap, blue space bar. I like the blue accents the most, and they give you the option to change it to pink if you want. I really like the color scheme that they have going here. You have all your functionality, anything that you need in a keyboard, it's on this one. There's also another RGB indicator here. Just a nice machined aluminum chunk. This thing is freaking solid. You got a nice angle there. Very nice. You have your mode switch. Cool, that's good. That means it's got a battery, right? You got your Type-C, Bluetooth, wired, wireless. Nothing there on the side. No logo or anything, just pink glitter. They did have a warning that it's like micro glitter, so if you're like against micro glitter or whatever, totally understand. There's other color options. Oh, the back looks really sick. I already got it all finger greasy, but look at that. It's like Tron style, you know, like old school, like 80s tech. You feel me? 2.4G, you get 4 little rubber feet there, and then the pink glitter was carried all the way through the back. Love this thing. Oh. There's a dongle on the back in here somehow. There it is. You just push it in right here, and then it flips out, and you grab that. Just a little magnet, and then there's your dongle for your wireless. Let's do a quick sound test. Cool, I like this one a lot. I like the, you know. All right, so what do we know about this thing? Let's get a little bit more in depth on specs. All right, so what we have here is the 1800 layout. It's 101 keys. It's got an 8000 mAh battery, so about 5 days with the RGB on, 40 days with the RGB off. It's a 16.8 million RGB layout. It's got hot swappable switches. It comes in 2 different switch types. So you have the cocoa, cream, coffee V2 switch. I'll put the information for that one up on the screen. And then you also have the milk V2 linear switch. It's got double shot PBT keycaps, and it's QMK VIA compatible. You see my pinky is struggling down there trying to hold this freaking thing, all right? So let's just go ahead and test out the lighting, and then we'll get to gaming. Oh! It's Marvel Rival time. Imagine. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have here in front of us a YUNZII AL98 in pink, best color that there is, straight up. Let's get it plugged in. Got it looking real nice. Alright, so that's all the different lighting modes. Pretty cool. So we're going to get into some gameplay. I love this thing, man. Aluminum keyboards are always, if you want to know a way to a man's heart, it's all about the aluminum. If you're looking for a perfect gift for any man ever, he wants the pink aluminum keyboard, just so you know, because I speak for all men.
4, 3, 2, 1. You have to stop them from securing the mission area.
Stay there, idiots. You have a healing bubble. Yeah, back the fuck up, bro.
My time to shine. Still, I'm trying to help. The world! You own one.
I'm switching. We're literally just getting shit on. Hello?
There's still a chance to
What's up, buddy?
I am ready to put on a show!
I just like teleported through a wall.
They hit a checkpoint. Now might be a good time to stop them. Better stop that vehicle!
Another loser. Will that last? The dragon unleashed!
It's now or never! Stop them! The perfect hit! You got them all!
I fucking hate this game. I just fell off the side of the map.
I am
That really helped.
armed and dangerous!
Shields up! You're the best at what you do, Logan.
Time to heal. Maximum pulse!
Hope it was worth wasting your ult for that, idiot.
I am much Outpost have found us. am ready to put on a show! Stop that vehicle!
Bless me, so
He's putting in work, I guess?
Thanks so much.
I was full health.
Only 60 seconds left. Better stop
I was literally
that
full health.
vehicle.
I got one shot. Hello? What is that shit?
Don't give them another inch, or else. Shields up.
I am through!
Feeling fantastic. Down to 30 seconds.
Go ahead, hit me up here, bro. Go ahead, hit me up here.
By the eye of Agamotto, armed and dangerous!
The final take. You'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Much better.
Get fucking shit on your ass.
Another
Oh! There's no way!
My headphones fell off. Holy shit, dude. YUNZII AL98. Check it out. Buy it. It's beautiful. It's one of a kind. It's 98%. It's cheap. $100. I don't know what else to say, bro. It's super heavy. Got all the RGB you want. Comes in pink and glittery. Isn't that amazing? It also comes in a bunch of different colors. I really like this little RGB accent right here. And it's just heavy, man. It's just cool. So if you want a nice budget aluminum keyboard, full size for a good affordable, I think it's $109, then definitely check it out. I'll leave a link for it in the description. And YUNZII, as always, you know they're good for it, man. Leave a like for YUNZII, leave a subscribe for me, greatly appreciated, and check out the tech review playlist. We got a bunch of cool stuff. I'll go ahead and put it somewhere on this side on top of Cloak and Dagger, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Buy it, YUNZII. Smash like, subscribe, YUNZII #1 employee, and then bye. Okay, bye.